Let's make Ambient House. First, let's set the tempo to 126 and start with a soft kick from my sample pack. I'll adjust the lows to this. Add some short open hats. Some close hats. We can pan this around like this. Some percussion. And after a bus, let's add some claps. And after another 8 bars at the second half of the track, let's add some crashes. Now let's track all the drums except the kicks to a mixer channel and add origin to give it a vintage effect. Then let's add some reverb and use EQ to take off the lows. So these drums which I use are from my sample pack, which you can get using the link in the description. You got more than 150 drums and it's really affordable. So if you're interested in it, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we need some soft pads. Let's EQ this to take down the highs. And some lows. And let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Now we need a simple D bass line. I'll just follow along with the root note. Let's sidechain this, turn this to mono, and use EQ to balance out the sound. Let's add some pad fills. Now we need some plucks. We want this to kind of mix with the ambience of the track, so let's use EQ to take down the lows. Add some reverb. Add a lot of delay. And I'll use shaper box to sidechain this. Guys, if you want these Serum presets, check out the link in the description. The Serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Then we need some atmospheric vocals. Some ambient samples like this. Since the drop's down, let's move on to the intro and the builder. Let's start with the kick, the open hats, and the ambient sample. And after 16 bars, let's add some of the closed hats and the bass. Let's use some exhaust to transition into the builder. And at the build-up, let's add the vocals and the plugs. Let's sharp this up like this to fit the entirety of the build-up like this. And let's add some rises. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So that's it for the track, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see the final result.